Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video from BioBuddy. In this video beta we will be covering two topics, that is cell type and cell division. Right? Very simple. Right? This is the last video of this chapter. Right? I hope you are good to go with this chapter by seeing all the videos. If not, any doubts you can put down in the comment section. Right? So let's get started beta. First of all, what is the meaning of these two terms, cell type and cell division? Cell type means कितने type के cells होते हैं. Okay, so basically there are two types of cells beta, haploid and diploid. Okay, there are two types of cells beta, haploid and diploid. Haploid means N, diploid means 2N. N here refers to the number of chromosome. Okay, N here refers to the number of chromosome. In cell division basically refers to in what ways the cell can divide. Okay, how is the cell able to divide? Fine. So there are two ways, mitosis and meiosis. These are the two ways, mitosis and meiosis. Okay, but when the cell is dividing beta, what happens first? For example, this is a single cell. It is being divided here. Okay, for example, let me draw it here. This is a single cell. Okay, it divides here and it elongates, and the nucleus is also elongating. Now later on what is happening? The nucleus will elongate and later on it will divide and then it will form two daughter cells. Okay, so beta, when the nucleus is dividing, first always in cell division the nucleus divides. So when the nucleus is dividing, it is called as karyokinesis. Remember these terms. It is karyokinesis. Then the cytoplasm is dividing. Cytoplasm, when it divides, it is known as cytokinesis. Very simple. Okay, cytokinesis. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Please note down side by side. I will be erasing it. Okay. So these two terms are very important. Karyokinesis, cytokinesis. Fine. Now what happens beta? In our body, each and every cell in our body, it has 46 chromosomes. Right? 46 chromosome all the cells have. But beta, germ cells, that is sperm and ovum. The sperm cells in male and the ovum cell in female, they have just 23 chromosomes each. Rest of them have 23 pairs beta, that means 46 chromosomes. But our sperm and ovum, they have 23 pairs. 23 in number. They do not have pairs, they are just 23 and 23. So during the process of fertilization beta, what happens? In fertilization, the ovum and the sperm, their fusion takes place. Fusion takes place, and due to the fusion, what will happen? Ovum into sperm. 23 from here, 23 from here, they will come together, they will form 46. Okay, that means 46 chromosomes. And 46 chromosomes means what? 23 pairs. So 23 pairs means what is happening? The amount of chromosome here is 2n. So if I talk about 2n, then what is happening beta? The zygote which is forming here, it is 2n in nature. But the ovum and sperm, they just have 23 chromosomes each, so they will be n in nature. That means the ovum and sperm beta, they are haploid in nature, whereas when the zygote leads to the formation, what will happen? It will have 23 pairs now. Then it will be having what? It will be known as 2n. What is that? Diploid. Okay, diploid means double the number of chromosomes and haploid means 23 only. Right? So here I have told you, ovum and sperm will not have 46 chromosomes, they will just have 23 each. So when they will fuse together and lead to the formation of zygote, then zygote will have 46 chromosomes, that is 23 pairs, which is when it is known as diploid cell. Before that, ovum and sperm, they were known as haploid cells. As soon as zygote is formed, it is known as diploid. Diploid means 2n. Haploid means single n. Then leads to the formation of, let's come to cell division. So how is cell being divided beta? The cell is being divided, let me take another marker. दो टाइप के डिवीजन होते हैं बेटा, माइटोसिस, मियोसिस। माइटोसिस से आपको कैसे याद रखना है, दैट टू आर देयर, ओके। माइटोसिस से सबसे पहले बोलोगे कि बेटा इसमें क्या होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज द पेरेंट सेल, दिस इज द पेरेंट सेल हियर, ओके। इट इज हैविंग व्हाट, it is diploid in nature, it is diploid, ओके। तो इसमें क्या हो रहा है बेटा, नाउ द डीएनए इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड इट, नाउ द डीएनए इज रेप्लिकेटिंग, मल्टीप्लाइंग, ओके। डीएनए रेप्लिकेट्स हियर आल्सो, हियर आल्सो, ओके। दिस इज माइटोसिस, दिस इज मियोसिस, बोथ में पेरेंट सेल दिखाया है, दे आर डिप्लॉयड इन नेचर, okay, they have double the number of chromosomes. Now in this what is happening beta, DNA is replicating here also, same process. Now what happens when the two daughter cells are formed beta, these are two daughter cells which are being formed. So these two daughter cells are exact copy of the parent cell, okay. That means in this case what is happening beta, the diploid cell is leading to the formation of diploid daughter cell only. Just like parent, the daughter cells which will be formed will be exact copies of their parents, okay. That means if the parent is diploid in nature, that will happen that the daughter cells they are also diploid. So इसमें क्या हो रहा है बेटा, diploid से diploid ही बनता है. But in meiosis what is happening beta, it is also diploid in nature. The DNA is replicating. Here what is happening, two daughter cells are being formed. Now what happens, these two daughter cells lead to the formation of four daughter cells, and this you can see, this is different from the parent, this is diploid in nature, but each daughter cell beta, diploid means 2n, okay. But here what is happening, n, n, n and n, four daughter cells are formed which are haploid in nature. So meiosis में क्या होता है बेटा, diploid parent से haploid daughter cells are formed, okay. This is very simple, very easy. Any doubts, any problems, you can put in the comment section below. If you want to watch it again, pause the video, make sure you are reading through the book also side by side, and then you can, put it all together and understand the topic. Very simple, okay. Any doubts, any problems regarding this chapter, you can ask anytime beta in the comment section. I'll be happy to help, okay. So I hope you guys have understood, and I will see you guys with the next chapter in the new video. Till then, take care.